In today's video, we'll discuss 30 multiple choice questions based on the chapter If I Were You, composed by Douglas James. This video is for the students of class 9th. Let's start. Question number 1. Where did Gerard live? Option A, in a hotel. Option B, in a house. Option C, alone in a cottage. Or option D, in a city. The correct answer is option C, alone in a cottage. Gerard अकेला अपने घर में रहता था. Second question, who entered his cottage? Option A, a hawker. Option B, a thief. Option C, a criminal. Option D, all. Option C, a criminal. Next question, what was the criminal's intention? Option A, to steal money. Option B, to have food. Option C, to kill Gerard and take his own identity. And option D, none. Option C, to kill Gerard and take on his identity. Next question, who is the writer of this lesson? Option A, Jane Austen. Option B, Douglas James. Option C, Hilary. Or option D, none. Option B, Douglas James. What is the story about? Option A, about a playwright Gerard. About an incident from a poet's life. Option B. And option C, about a thief. Or option D, none. About a playwright Gerard. Hence option A is correct here. Story जो है वो एक playwright के बारे में है जो कि नाटक लिखता है, plays लिखता है, dramas लिखता है, and his name is Gerard. When did the intruder enter Gerard's house? Option A, when he was sleeping. Option B, early morning. Option C, when he was about to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. Or option D, midnight. Option C is correct here. जिस समय Gerard अपने घर से बाहर जाने की तैयारी कर रहा था, एक रिहर्सल के लिए props देकर आने थे उसने, उस समय उस इंट्रूडर ने Gerard के घर में एंटर किया. What was the intruder carrying in his hand? Option A, a stick. Option B, a gun. Option C, a knife. Or option D, a sword. Option B, a gun. Why was the police looking for the intruder? Option A, because he had a charge of theft. Option B, because he robbed a bank. Option C, because he committed a murder. Or option D, because he ran from jail. Option C, because he committed a murder. Ninth question. Why did the intruder want to know everything about Gerard before killing him? Option A, to imitate him. Option B, to steal his wealth. Option C, to befool people. Or option D, to take his place. इंट्रूडर जो है वो क्यों सब कुछ जानना चाहता था गेरार्ड के बारे में उसको मारने से पहले? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, टू इमिटेट हिम, ताकि वो उसकी नकल कर सके, क्योंकि जो इंट्रूडर है उसने ये प्लान किया था कि वो गेरार्ड को मार के वो उसकी जगह ले लेगा और उस गेरार्ड की तरह से ही अपना लाइफ जिएगा कि जैसे वो खुद गेरार्ड है. तो इससे पहले कि वो उसे मारे वो उसे इमिटेट करके सब कुछ उसके बारे में जान लेना चाहता था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, how did Gerard befool the intruder? Option A, by mimicking. Option B, by telling jokes. Option C, by asking him to peep out to look for police outside. Or option D, none. Option C, by asking him to peep out to look for police outside. 11th question, how did Gerard save himself from the intruder? Option A, by pushing him inside a cupboard and locking it from the outside. Option B, by showing him gun. Option C, by calling police. Option D, by shouting. Option A is correct here. At last, a sympathetic audience. Who said this? Of course, we know it's a very important question. In exercise also, it has been asked. So, it was Gerard who, you see, said this, ki at last, a sympathetic audience. Option A, the intruder. Option B, the sergeant. Or option D, none. All are incorrect. Option C, Gerard is correct. Next question, why did the intruder choose only Gerard as his masked player? कि इंट्रूडर ने Gerard को ही क्यों चुना कि वो उसी की जगह लेगा एक मास्क प्लेयर के रूप में क्यों चुना? Option A, because he enjoyed a good repo. Option B, because he was easy to approach. Option C, because his face and build was identical to him. Or option D, none. Option C is correct here, because his face and build was, क्योंकि जो Gerard है वो इंट्रूडर के जैसा ही दिखता था, इस वजह से इंट्रूडर ने Gerard को चुना. Next question, I said it with bullets. Why did Gerard say this to the intruder? Option A, to kill him. Option B, to distract him. Option C, to save himself from the intruder. Option D, none. The correct answer is option C, to save himself from the intruder. Next question, who is Gerard by profession? Option A, a spy. Option B, a soldier. Option C, a policeman. Or option D, a playwright. Option D, a playwright is correct answer here. Next question, you'll soon stop being smart. Why did the intruder say this to Gerard? Option A, to scare and stop him from being smart. Option B, to show him his power. Option C, to kill him. Or option D, none. The correct answer is to scare and stop him from being smart. Next question, what was the surprise for the intruder? Option A, Gerard's false identity. Option B, Gerard was a playwright. Option C, Gerard was a policeman. Or option D, none. Option B, Gerard was a playwright, was a surprise for the intruder. Next question, what was the surprise for Gerard? Option A, the intruder. Option B, intruder's intention of killing him. Option C, intruder was a murderer. Or option D, none. Option B, intruder's intention of killing him is the correct answer here. How many times have the words "this is your big surprise" been used in the play? Option A 5 times, option B once, option C thrice, option D twice. Option D twice is the correct answer here. Why did Gerard lie to the intruder? Option A, to make him run. Option B, to give him a false impression. Option C, to scare the intruder and save himself from him. Or option D, all. The correct answer is option C, to scare the intruder and save himself from him. जो गेरार्ड है उसे इंट्रूडर से झूठ क्यों बोला था? क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स वो उसे कुछ डराना चाहता था और उस अपने आप को उससे बचाना चाहता था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वर्ड्स यूज्ड बाय गेरार्ड इन द प्ले शो दैट ही इज अ थिएट्रिकल पर्सन? कौन से वर्ड्स ऐसे प्ले में यूज हुए हैं जिससे ये पता चलता है कि गेरार्ड जो है वो थिएट्रिकल पर्सन है, मीन्स वो थिएटर के लिए ड्रामास, प्लेज ये सब लिखता है. कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? सी, ऑप्शन ए मेलोड्रामेटिक, ऑप्शन बी सिंपैथेटिक ऑडियंस, ऑप्शन सी डिस्गाइज्ड आउटफिट और ऑप्शन डी ऑल. ऑप्शन डी ऑल इज करेक्ट है बिकॉज ये तीनों ही वर्ड्स इस तरह के हैं. मेलोड्रामेटिक भी, सिंपैथेटिक ऑडियंस भी और डिस्गाइज्ड आउटफिट भी, तीनों ही ऑप्शंस हैं ये जो कि गेरार्ड बार बार यूज करता है प्ले में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, and they show कि Gerard is a theatrical person. What did Gerard first do after locking up the intruder? Option A, picked up the phone. Option B, sat on the sofa. Option C, delivered the props. Or option D, none. Option A, picked up the phone is the correct answer here. Question number 23. What according to the intruder would stop and scare Gerard? Option A, knowledge of intruder's plan of murdering him. Option B, his true identity. Option C, gunpoint. Or option D, his shouting. जो इंट्रूडर था उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या चीज ऐसी हो सकती थी जो कि गेरार्ड को डरा दे? तो वो हो सकती थी नॉलेज ऑफ इंट्रूडर्स प्लान ऑफ मर्डरिंग हिम, कि जैसे वो गेरार्ड को बताएगा कि वो उसे मारना चाहता है, हो सकता है कि गेरार्ड उसे डर जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंट्रूडर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, What was the story that Gerard made up to escape the intruder? गेरार्ड ने कौन सी स्टोरी बनाई इंट्रूडर से बचने के लिए? वो स्मार्ट था, विटी था, तो उसने एक स्टोरी फ्रेम की थी. देखिए क्या स्टोरी थी. ऑप्शन ए, दैट पुलिस लिव्स नियर बाय. ऑप्शन बी, इज अ स्पाई. ऑप्शन सी, गेरार्ड हिमसेल्फ वाज द मर्डरर. ऑप्शन डी, डीलिंग ऑफ डिसीजन बाय विलन, ही मेड अप अ स्टोरी ऑफ मेलोड्रामा. हियर ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. गेरार्ड हिमसेल्फ वाज अ मर्डरर. उसने कहा कि वो खुद भी एक मर्डरर है और पुलिस तो उसी की तलाश में है, तो वो अगर उसकी जगह रहेगा तो पुलिस उसे गेरार्ड समझ के पकड़ लेगी. राइट. Question number 25. What did Gerard say to the intruder about packed bags? Option A, that police was expected to raid his house and he packed his bag to run away. Option B, that he had to go for rehearsal. Option C, he had to deliver props. Or option D, none. Option A is correct here, that police was expected to raid his house and he packed his bag to run away. Next question. What is the meaning of melodrama? Option A, display of emotions in an exaggerated manner. Option B, bad scenes. Option C, false scenes. Option D, vague things. Option A, display of emotions in an exaggerated manner is the correct answer here. Next question. Why did Gerard pick up the phone first after locking the intruder? Option A, to inform his friends. Option B, to inform his co-players. Option C, to tell that he won't be able to deliver props on time for being struck in trouble, or to call the sergeant. Or option D, none. The correct answer is, देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है कि गेरार्ड जो है उसने सबसे पहले फोन क्यों उठाया जब इंट्रूडर को उसने लॉक कर दिया था? तो ऑप्शन सी यहाँ पर करेक्ट है, ताकि वो ये बता सके जहां पर प्ले या ड्रामा की प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी उनको कि वो प्रॉप्स नहीं ला पाएगा रिहर्सल के लिए. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि वो सार्जेंट को मीन्स पुलिस को बुला सके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अकॉर्डिंग टू गेरार्ड, वेयर कुड द सार्जेंट बी फाउंड? ऑप्शन ए, इन द स्ट्रीट. ऑप्शन बी, इन द पुलिस स्टेशन. ऑप्शन सी, इन द बार. और ऑप्शन डी, नन. ऑप्शन सी, इन द बार इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर. 29th question. Why was Gerard leaving his house? Option A, to deliver props for the rehearsal on the play. Option B, to go to the other city. Option C, for a change. Or option D, none. Option A, to deliver props for the rehearsal of the play. Last question. What did Gerard say to the intruder when the phone bell rang? Option A, it's time for rehearsal. Option B, police has come. Option C, it's time to leave. Or option D, all. Correct answer is option C, it's time to leave. And for me as well, it's time to leave, as I have provided you all the answers of 30 most important multiple choice questions based on this chapter. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.